What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. Just wanted to post a little quick video for you guys. It's an update on what we're doing today. This is a customer's bike. This is a beautiful 2010 Spyder RS. Today we're installing a Power Commander 5 on it. It's got the Two Brothers dual slip-ons, very loud, pretty throaty sounding exhaust. Really cool little Spyder. So anyway, just wanted to post a little update videos, some of the work that we do, putting a Power Commander 5 on this thing so we can do the custom tuning work on it and get a little more horsepower and clean up the air to fuel ratio on it. This is the Dynojet Power Commander 5 for it. Plugs in up at the motor, so we got to run all the wiring. We'll do a really clean job running all the wiring, so all the plastic's got to come off. There's the part number for it, 25004. Power Commander 5 fits 09 to 2012 Spyder RS. Okay, so if you have a Spyder RS, this is the Power Commander 5 for it. You can purchase that directly from Dynojet. I believe it's around $350, somewhere in that range. Then we're able to do the custom tuning work. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update on some of the stuff that we do here at BLR Tuning. So hit us up on our little Facebook business page and reach out to us if you have questions about tuning. Spyders are one of the bikes that we work on, all models. So installing this Power Commander 5 on this 2010 Spyder RS, we got to cut all the zip ties along here, and then we got to get the top of the airbox lid off. The airbox underneath is going to be the velocity stack needs to come out so we can get to the top of the injectors to plug in. Okay, so we got our Power Commander 5 installed. We got to zip up our wires. As you can see, it goes up to the injector up here on the front end of the throttle bodies. It taps into the TPS, and then it taps into this injector over here on this side. And then it has a ground wire, comes down here. So focus, not focus, okay. So our ground, it's right there in that Allen head bolt. And that's it, pretty simple install. I say simple install, I'm talking about the wiring of it itself. The hardest part is taking these things apart, right? Because these Spyders have a ton of plastic. So you're really gonna need yourself, give yourself, I say a 3-hour job. That's without the tuning, but we already built, a base tune for it, and then we'll make some small adjustments. So taking it apart is the hardest part. Our Power Commander 5 is gonna mount up right here. We'll use some double-sided Velcro, maybe a couple zip ties. Make a little mount for it right there. And then it has a panel that sits on over the top of this. So bike fires right up. We have already verified that. We don't want to run too much because we have those throttle bodies open, but it does fire right up. So now we're in the process of putting it all back together. Okay, again, this isn't an install video or anything. I just wanted to show you guys this is the work that we do if you bring your bike in person. Okay, so here we go. Airbox is back on. Throttle bodies are bolted down. New hose clamp here. The old one was a little messed up. Everything is zip tied in place, so you can see where our injector's plugged in back here. And then obviously we got our ground down here. This is our ground wire. So everything is zip tied and ran with the factory wire harness the way it's supposed to be. We already plugged Power Commander into the computer, sent a base map we want, and for it that we built for it here, and then start it up, make sure everything runs, and then we will get it all buttoned back up with all the plastics and fire her up, take her for a ride. Oh, that's, again, this is a 2010 Spyder RS. Spyder RS. Okay, and this has a cat delete straight piped to a big Two Brothers carbon muffler setup, the dual setup. Pretty nice little setup.
Next.
Okay, so we got to put all this panels back on.
Yeah, this is next.
So here is the Power Commander 5 installed, mounted up here. You see there, BLR Tuning. All the wires ran correctly, plugged into PC5 software, and that's it. So there we are with the S3 or the RS, and then we detailed it for the customer You know, looks clean as a whistle, better than when they brought it here. And that's the idea, you know, for good customer service. Always try to return the vehicle way better condition than what you got it. We still got to do some work here up on the cleaning these up. You can see all the dirt here. So we'll polish that up. But customer just arrived to pick up their bike and they're excited. Anyways, so thanks for watching, guys. And check us out, BLR Tuning. Link in the description below for the Facebook page. Whatever motorcycle you have, I specialize in EFI motorcycle tuning. So hit me up. Worst case, we find out I can't do it. Most likely I can, though. Have a good one. Peace.